Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. It's Emaneze and I'm here with another video on Tomarket. As you all know, Tomarket will be listing on the 20th of December, of course. So now they've announced that pre-depositing have started. That's depositing before the listing, and as you can see, it will be starting on the 13th of December to the 18th of December. Open the app and go to airdrop. Of course, they said zero gas fee. So the exchange that you're depositing to is Bitget exchange, Bitget. So this is my Tomarket. But before then, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and drop a comment in the comment section. You can also join our WhatsApp community where we discuss everything airdrop. So let me just first convert my tokens. But okay, let me just go straight to the point first. There is a lot of things about Tomarket that I'm not really impressed with. Firstly, their total supply being 1 trillion. It's really crazy. It's really crazy. So firstly, as you can see, my Tomarket allocation on this account is about 345,000. So firstly, you connect this wallet. Let me just disconnect and show you how to connect again. So you go to connect and it will take you to Bitget wallet lite. Of course, there's a light version of Bitget wallet on Telegram. So once it opens, you wait a second and then it will open. Just wait a little, give it time. It will load up, and a prompt of course will pop up, app authorize, and then you confirm and then enter your pin. So I've entered my pin. As you can see, it has been connected. So now I want to deposit my TOMA to exchange, but first let's go and check something. Okay, this is my asset. So let's check something in the airdrop season. Remember, Tomarket said that they will be airdropping about 30% more. As you can see here, 80% belongs to community, and they had already airdropped about 63%. So they are going to be airdropping more on the 18th. Everything about this Tomarket just seems creepy right now because of what we experienced from Memfi and the likes of it. So sex listings, they say, is on the 20th. So firstly, to connect to exchange, of course, you go to this place, click on go. Please don't stake your tokens. I wouldn't ever advise anybody to stake their tokens. So you skip and you go to next. I'm depositing everything, so I'll go to max. So here I'll enter my Bitget UID, but first, so here is my Bitget exchange account. So I'll go to this place right here. Once you click on it, drag it down. So firstly, copy your Bitget UID right there. As you can see, I've copied that. So I'll now go to Tomarket. I'll go to Tomarket and enter my UID where they requested for Bitget UID. So I'll paste it. So I'll come down here, go back to Bitget. So Tomarket changed the network in which they are listing on. So I'm going to look for Aptos. So click on add funds and go to deposit crypto. Then there you search for Aptos AP. You click on this place and search for Aptos APTO. So that's it right there, APT. So you click on Aptos and you wait for it to load up. Once it does, copy this address right here. So as you can see, I've copied the address. I will now go back to my Tomarket app and I will paste the address exactly like that. Then after that, I submit. But first, let me confirm my UID. So I'll go back. Just check everything over and over again so that they will not tell you that that's the reason why you did not get your funds. So you wouldn't want them to do that. Actually, projects are crazy and most projects are known for doing that. So it ends with 47, so it's correct. So I'm going to submit. So submission successful, as you can see. So as you can see, I've already withdrawn. But if you don't want to, you can also claim on chain. I can still edit it, but which of course I'm not going to do. I don't know why they are showing me locked. I don't really know. But anyway, let's just see how it goes. They are listing on the 20th, but they said the deposit time is on the 21st. So I don't know, but a lot of things seems very creepy about this. So let's wait till the 20th reaches and we know how it goes. But anyway, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and drop a comment in the comment section if you found this video helpful. And you can watch other videos on the channels also. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.